want to talk to you guys about a product that I love using, this moisturizer by AnthroSpa Logic. It's called the Dew Point Replenishing Moisturizer. And what I like about this moisturizer is that it's multitasking. It helps work like a serum to deeply repair your skin, to help improve elasticity, and also help repair damage from free radicals in the environment. So our skin gets damaged from UV rays and all the environmental toxins that we're exposed to on a daily. And this product is packed with antioxidants to help repair that damage to our skin cells. And because it's so highly concentrated, you only need a couple of drops. It only contains pure essential oil emollients, which will help deeply penetrate the skin. So you just put a couple of drops on your hand, like so. And I massage it into my skin. Usually I do this when my face is a little bit damp. And I love the fact that it's aromatherapeutic as well. I like to moisturize my neck as well because your neck can show signs of aging sometimes. And I just massage it over my face. This moisturizer lasts all day and gives me a dew